Okay, so when you're using the Tiny Folklore Hub on the platform called Spatial, you will have an avatar which represents your physical body in the virtual space. Okay, so most people want an avatar that looks like them. With Spatial, it's really good because you can just go to the link of the VR space and then it will create an anonymous avatar for you. So you can use the space anonymously, but it works much better if you actually create an account on spatial.io. And I won't show you how to do that here because I'm sure everyone knows how to create a general user account on a website. But once you've created that account, you can change the name of the account to your own name or the name that people might have known you on the Folklore Thursday community or something like that. And you can also change the way your avatar looks. So that's what this video here is for. Spatial will just give you a random avatar, but they can be a little bit weird, so it's nice to be able to customize that. So if you go up to the top right hand corner and click on the little picture here, and then hover over the picture, you can see here you can change your name, you can change the picture that appears, and then you can save that. So this will take you to your profile page here. So I already have this little profile picture because I've previously made an avatar. But what I actually want to do is it's a bit weird and they all look quite anime characters, which doesn't look like me at all, and it just feels like the wrong kind of vibe for my personality, so I don't like it at all. So I prefer one with my own face. They're a little bit weird looking and they can be a bit creepy, but they're also quite funny, so I prefer having that. So if we go to the left hand side here and hover over the picture, or what might be a blank space, until the little pencil icon appears, and this will take you to the avatar maker. Here we go. So this is your Spatial, in essence, homepage, right? So everyone's got one of these spaces that's in essence their own home space. So this is my current avatar. I've already edited it before. You can create a custom avatar of this style with Ready Player Me. So you can just click on these to edit them. So if you click on the little pencil icon again, this takes you to a little interface where you can create or personalize your avatar. I can choose a file here. Here we go. So I'm just going to use this picture for the example as we go through. So we're going to use that photo, upload it there, and it gives you an approximation of what it thinks you look like. Obviously they're not ideal, there's only so many options, but what you do then is you go through these options on the right hand side and you just choose the different options that fit your personality, or how you want to be portrayed, and you've got all different options here. So first of all we have the clothes. So what do you want to wear? I mean, not generally my style, but might be yours. And these are free to create. You can choose trousers. Again, probably not for me. They'll work. Let's see, what other top can I have? They all seem to be bomber jackets today. It's quite weird. Is that a new style that I don't know about? Who knows? Okay. Yes, there seems to be some kind of top thing going on that I don't know about. So you can choose a top and a pair of trousers using these two here, and then you can choose shoes. They're quite cool. Okay, or you can choose a whole outfit, which may be better. Well, that is very snazzy, probably a bit excessive. But hey, it's VR, I'm going to keep it. Let's go with that, I'm going to keep it. What else could we have? Oh, gone too far. Definitely gone too far. Kind of like it. Maybe a bit sexist. Let's go with this, it's all a bit Matrix. Okay, we're going to keep the Matrix look just for this example. If you see me walk like this in VR, there needs to be an intervention. Okay, then we go right to the right hand side here. We've done that bit. Female. And then you look at what body size you have. I don't know, we'll go with that one. Okay, then we can do our face. So we click on the face icon here. It looks absolutely nothing like me. So first we can choose a face shape. I've got quite a round face. This is the roundest face. Maybe this one. There we go, that's quite round. I'll go for that one. And choose your skin colour, or the skin colour of your choice. I'm always very pale, so we'll go for that. And then we do eyes. So I'll go for that one, and some blue eyes. Yep, that works. Then we're on to eyebrows. Nope, nope, I think not. Here we go. Oh, they'll do. Right, and we can choose the colour of our eyebrows over here. Again, mine are quite pale. I'll go for those. Then we do our nose. So choose the one that looks like yours. So we'll just go with that one. The mouth. I always find none of these look like my mouth, so whatever. And then if you have a beard, you can go, or like a moustache, you can go for that here as well. Okay, so we're getting there now. Then we move over to hairstyle. They have very funky hairstyles. I mean, these don't actually have to look like you. You can look however you want. I'm just going to stick with that hairstyle, and we'll change the colour. Too blonde. Let's see what else they've got. Yeah, I'll stick with that one. Glasses. Let's go for some glasses. I like those ones there. So makeup, if it takes your fancy. Some of the makeup can be quite weird. Again, it's avatars, it doesn't have to be realistic. You can do whatever you like. That actually looks like zombie makeup, but it resembles my real makeup in real life, which is a bit disturbing. Okay, you can wear a mask if you like, a hat, or some kind of head covering. So anyway, we'll go with that. Look a bit weird. If you're walking around the streets in Liverpool in that, you've got a problem. But VR, it's more acceptable, so that's fine. We'll go with that for now. Okay, so you can sign up here, and it does allow you to use this avatar across different VR spaces. Right, this is just an example, and also we're just going to use this in Spatial. So this should just work in Spatial without signing up. So continue without signing up. And let's see if it loads. It is a little bit like the Matrix. There we go. Very weird. Okay, so the problem I find is when I use my VR headset, I'm a lot shorter than these avatars, so I've got a really funny walk. So if you do the funny walk, that's okay. I think everyone's probably going to be doing a slightly funny walk, but you can look at your avatar by pulling around the screen like this. And if you're on desktop, you can use the A, W, S, D keys to move around. Save that, and then if you scroll your mouse forward, the mouse wheel, you become like in your body. So you inhabit the body, and then you can look at yourself in a mirror, or, you know, it's like first person. You walk around, and you just click to move, and then you scroll the mouse wheel back to come out of that. So There we go. I don't think that looks like me at all. It's a little bit weird. So I prefer a different type of avatar. Click on the top right picture here, which takes a little while to upload once you've done your avatar, and then hover over the picture until the little pencil appears, and then click on that. Save again, and then it takes you back to your profile page. So hover over your avatar photo on the left this time, and it'll take us back to the same page we previously used. However, this time, if we look at the Customize Avatar section, scroll down and you can see Use Realistic Head. So let's click Use Realistic Head. And as you can see, it's used the photo that I've previously added. But what we can actually do is regenerate the head. So if we click Regenerate Head button here, that now appears, and we can upload a new photo. So we'll upload that photo again, and there we go. If you do that, your photo should appear, your real head should appear. However, we want to change the body because that's a bit weird, isn't it? Right, so once you've added your head, you can customize the body by clicking on these pictures here. These are predefined outfits, and you just have to pick one of these and see how you look. Now, I did manage to change the colour of this top. Here we go. So you can change some of the clothing options. Here, I quite like the dark blue. It's also black. Anyway, so that's in essence how you can create an avatar that looks a bit more like you, a little bit more like you anyway, for using in the VR space. Okay, hope that's been helpful.